this actually. Okay. Understanding asset valuation. Sir, we know valuation. What is that to understanding the asset valuation? Anybody can ask. Right. The asset valuation is not just visit some place and come and do the valuation. Not that. Asset valuation is the process of determining the value of assets, considering factors such as market condition, asset conditions, and regulatory environment. I told you, IVS is introduced from 2025, integration of ESG integration into asset valuation. Sir, what is ESG? Environmental social governance. The world itself is looking again for the ESG. Everywhere, everybody is talking sustainability. Everybody is talking climate change. So this becomes a more important given for the valuers. That means what we'll have to learn. We should learn about ESG. We should know about the sustainability. We should know about the environmental protection actions. We should know about the stigma. When you know about the stigma, you should know about the stigma valuation also. There are different methods of valuations are there for the stigma land valuation of property. So these are all the things which will come in the asset valuation process. What is the importance? The asset valuation influences the investment decision. Yes, a valuer submits the report to the bank depends on the valuation report and decides, okay, this value of the property is so much, we can fund for this property to 85%. It complete financial reporting in your valuation report. And also risk management strategies. A valuer is not only just doing the report. You should mitigate the risk in the property. Mitigate. If there is any potential risk is there, you should take care of that. That is what exactly. Whenever we give the value, there should be an accuracy in that. It should not be overvaluation. It should not be undervaluation. There should be a minimum 10% difference is okay. I'm just giving an example, 10%. What are the factors considered? Market condition, asset condition. Market condition means what is the surrounding? What is the present potential development in that area? If the area is developed, it's a market is busy market or poor area or highly developed area, and what are the road conditions are there, and abutting road, what is there, and what is the zoning, what is the development opportunity is there. So everything need to assessed by the valuer. My dear friends, valuer is not only valuer, he is a jack of all subjects. He is an investigator, he is a communicator. Every knowledge is integrated with him. Not only asset condition, asset, what is the kind of asset? What is the condition of the asset? What is the years, how many years the life is there? What is the residual life? How much life can be taken? A value need to decide. And regulatory environment, and these are all the things are the key factors considered in the asset valuation. Role of decision making. Again, I just wanted to impress and I wanted to repeat again. Accurate valuation is an essential for informed decision making in finance. If a property is in the market approach or income approach or cost approach, if the property is valued for a 1 crore, it should be 1 crore. You should compare with the market. You should identify the property in a proper way. And you should check the website and check market comparable. Or you do the weighted average method of valuation. Or you do rental capitalization method. If the property is rented, compare that. Try to give the accurate valuation. Inquire. I have seen some people, the seniors, if you ask, they will never reply. I'm so busy, don't talk all day. If you think your junior may not know, then gone case. Don't see ego. Our most important thing is we should give a correct valuation to our client. Talk to people. Communication is one of the wonderful things and one of the most important thing for the valuers. Communication. If the value is not communicating anything, simply goes and come back without taking any inputs from anybody, then he is not a valuer. The valuer need to interact. There is a big hospital project wherein we went for an valuation. Along with my associate mechanical valuer, we went